Planning a move from Calgary to North Vancouver? This Alberta to British Columbia route crosses the Rockies, so choosing experienced movers and building a realistic schedule are both important. For a typical two-bedroom home, a Calgary to North Vancouver move may cost around $2,400 to $4,200 Canadian dollars. The final price depends on shipment weight, packing needs, access, and your moving date. Your belongings will travel through mountain highways where weather, construction, and traffic can affect the schedule. That's why long-distance experience matters on this particular route. Most deliveries arrive within about 2 to 4 days. The exact timing depends on road conditions, regulated driving hours, shipment size, and whether you choose dedicated or shared transportation. North Vancouver has steep roads, narrow residential areas, and properties with limited truck access. Share driveway, parking, and stair details early so the crew can bring the right equipment. Moving into a condo or apartment, confirm the elevator reservation, loading area, building hours, and any required move-in deposit before scheduling your delivery. Ask whether each estimate includes loading, mileage, fuel, furniture protection, equipment, and unloading. Clear pricing makes it easier to compare actual value instead of only the starting number. Moving from Calgary to North Vancouver? Visit 3movers.com to compare long-distance moving options, request a free estimate, and start planning with confidence.